Most account hacks happen because security is skipped. Let's fix that in 60 seconds. We'll help you keep your FXGT account safe with two-factor authentication. Log into your FXGT account. You'll see the email verification pop-up. Click Continue and check your inbox for the OTP. Enter it to verify your email. Can't find your code? Check your spam or junk folder, or log out and back into your client portal. Still having trouble? We're here to help 24/7. Go to Profile and then to Security and Privacy. Turn on email on every login so you'll get alerts for every login. Then scroll to the Two-Factor Authenticator section and follow the instructions to enable two-factor authentication via email or an authenticator app like Google Authenticator. Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security. Even if someone knows your password, they can't access your account without the verification code. This keeps your funds and personal information safe. Remember, the same two-factor authentication method will be used for logging in and important actions like withdrawals. You're all set. Your account is now secure. Stay tuned for more tutorials, including an easy guide on completing your KYC.
FXGT, where traditional meets digital.